Have you ever wondered why sticking to a disciplined routine feels like climbing a steep hill? Today, we'll unravel the details of discipline and dish out actionable steps to foster consistency in your life. Imagine this. It's a chilly morning, and your cozy bed is begging you to stay, yet you decide to rise and hit the gym. Why? Because you're choosing the path of delayed gratification over the instant comfort of your warm bed. This is the essence of self-discipline. It's about resisting the immediate temptation of comfort or pleasure for a more substantial reward in the future. Take a health-conscious individual, for instance. They might skip the tempting sweetness of a donut today to enjoy the lasting happiness that comes from having a healthier body tomorrow. Self-discipline is your bridge to long-term success, helping you make choices today that your future self will thank you for. It's the unseen force that propels you forward in a world jam-packed with distractions, guiding you closer to your goals with each disciplined choice. Yet, as we navigate through the sea of distractions and temptations, embracing self-discipline often feels like swimming against the current. Why is it that the very tool meant to lead us to success also presents a steep challenge? The core of this paradox lies in our evolutionary blueprint. To begin, our brains are hardwired to avoid discomfort. Achieving discipline often means stepping out of our comfort zones, facing the unknown, or tackling unpleasant tasks. Naturally, our minds resist. It's a survival mechanism that dates back to our ancestors, who sought comfort to stay safe. This primitive wiring often battles against our modern-day desires for growth and improvement. It's like having a well-intentioned but overprotective friend who holds you back from diving into new, enriching experiences. The fear of discomfort and the unknown can chain us to the familiar, making the path of discipline a challenging one to follow. Secondly, the modern world is a playground of distractions. With a smartphone in hand, you're a tap away from a whirlpool of endless notifications and instant gratifications. These instant rewards hijack our dopamine pathways, making the delayed gratification of discipline less appealing. And it's not just the digital world. Our environments are often cluttered with distractions that pull us away from our disciplined goals. Every beep, buzz, and unexpected interruption is a call to divert our attention, making the focus required for discipline a scarce commodity. The modern era has morphed into a battlefield where discipline and distraction are in a constant tug-of-war, with our attention as the prize. And thirdly, let's talk expectations. We often set the bar too high, aiming for perfection from the get-go. When the reality of our limitations hits, it's a blow to our motivation, sending our disciplined plans off the rails. Moreover, the societal pressure to excel to hustle further fuels our unrealistic expectations. The culture of overnight success stories paints a misleading picture, making us believe that discipline should yield immediate, grandiose results. This misalignment between expectations and reality is a hefty roadblock on the path to cultivating discipline and consistency. Now, let's flip the script. How can we triumph over these obstacles and cultivate a garden of consistency? 1. Start small. Begin with manageable tasks. Aim to jog for 10 minutes instead of an hour, or meditate for 5 minutes instead of 20. Small victories accumulate, building a foundation of discipline that can withstand the storm that is procrastination. This approach to starting small is grounded in the psychology of habit formation. When we set achievable goals, we experience a surge of motivation with every small win, creating a positive feedback loop. Over time, these small habits grow, morphing into a robust framework of discipline. This method is not about the grand gestures, but the small, consistent actions that, over time, lead to monumental change. 2. The power of habits. Establishing habits is like programming a software for success. Start with a solid morning routine, then expand as your discipline muscle strengthens. It's about creating an automatic response to your daily tasks, lessening the mental load. As the saying goes, we are what we repeatedly do. Habits reduce the decision fatigue that comes with the constant consideration on whether or not to stick to a disciplined routine. Over time, these habits become second nature, ingrained in our daily lives and requiring less effort to maintain. This habitual power is a potent ally in our quest for discipline and consistency. 3. Utilize tools. In a world buzzing with distractions, use tools to your advantage. Apps like Forest or Freedom can help keep distractions at bay, while a simple old-school planner can be your roadmap to disciplined success. These tools are extensions of our willpower, providing the scaffolding needed to stay on track. Moreover, they offer a visual representation of our progress, which can be incredibly motivating. Seeing a streak of completed tasks or time spent productively can propel us to maintain the discipline necessary for ongoing success. Tools are like our external brain, helping manage, organize, and maintain our disciplined efforts while dealing with a sea of distractions. 4. Practice mindfulness. Being present curbs the allure of distractions. Mindfulness is a watchdog over your actions, ensuring they align with your long-term goals rather than short-term impulses. It cultivates an awareness of our actions and their alignment with our goals. Through mindfulness, we develop a deeper understanding of our impulses and distractions, enabling us to navigate around them rather than being led astray. Mindfulness practices like meditation, or simply taking a few mindful breaths throughout the day, can be powerful tools for fostering a disciplined and focused mindset. If you want to dive deeper, explore the power of mindfulness with the program offered at 7-Minute Mindfulness. It's designed to assist you in reducing stress, improving your mental clarity, and promoting overall wellness. Click the link in the description below to discover a path towards a more peaceful and centered you. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your life with just 7 minutes a day. 5. Embrace imperfection. You'll stumble, and that's okay. Learn from the missteps rather than letting them get in the way of your journey towards discipline. Remember, consistency doesn't mean perfection. It's about the pursuit of progress, however small. Adopting a growth mindset, where failures are seen as opportunities for growth rather than setbacks, can significantly enhance our capacity for discipline. It's about bouncing back with renewed determination, learning from the experience, and continuing the journey with a richer understanding and a stronger spirit of perseverance. 6. Reward the process, not just the outcome. Celebrate the effort, not just the achievements. Rewarding the process reinforces the discipline needed to stay on course, making the journey enjoyable and sustainable. When we focus solely on the outcome, we may miss the valuable lessons and growth occurring during the process. This shift in focus also helps to ease the pressure of perfection, allowing us to appreciate the steady progress made along the way. It's a nurturing approach to discipline that celebrates the journey, making the pursuit of consistency a fulfilling endeavor rather than a grueling task. 7. Seek a community. Surround yourself with a tribe that encourages you to do your best. Their support, accountability, and shared experiences are fuel for your consistency engine. Being part of a community with similar goals provides a network of support that can significantly enhance our discipline. It's inspiring to see others overcome challenges and stay disciplined. Moreover, the collective energy of a motivated group can elevate our own efforts, making the discipline path a shared journey rather than a solitary struggle. 8. Visualize success. Consider how your life would be improved by the fruits of discipline. Visualization not only motivates, but also gears your mind towards finding ways to maintain consistency, making the discipline path less rocky and more rewarding. Visualization is a powerful tool that aligns our subconscious with our disciplined goals, making the pursuit feel more natural and less like a struggle. By visualizing the benefits and positive impact of discipline in our lives, we subconsciously cultivate a favorable environment for consistency to thrive. Discipline isn't about a rigid set of rules. It's a liberating structure that paves the road to achieving remarkable feats. The path may be strewn with challenges, but with a blend of actionable steps and a little bit of self-compassion, the journey towards a disciplined and consistent life becomes an exciting adventure. Remember that the power to overcome the inertia of a lack of discipline is within you, waiting to be released. So, take that first disciplined step today and watch as a cascade of positive change unfolds. Please click that subscribe button if this video was helpful to you. Check out this video to learn how to use the dopamine system in your brain to make challenging tasks more enjoyable. See you in the next video.